we are going to create a data set on a Parquet file. We are in the project read-write files. It has 3 existing data sets, which could be used in any workflow to read the files and process them. Let's create a new data set of type Parquet. Let's select the Parquet file on which we want to create the dataset. So we're selecting the folder people.parquet. This has one Parquet file, or it could have many Parquet files. So we could either specify the file, or we could specify the folder that is containing the multiple Parquet files. Now that we have selected the Parquet file, let's give it a name to the dataset and infer the schema of the dataset. So it inferred the schema. It has 2 columns, age and name. The age is of type integer and name is of type string. It is also showing me a few records from the file so I can see the sample data. Let's save this data set. So now we have the people data set created on the Parquet file, and we can go ahead and start using it in different workflows. Thank you.